Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the wedding of Erin and Dan. By the way, who in the crowd is excited about this wedding?
Are you recording?
Yep. Woo! Yeah, girl.
Erin and Dan, there are several reasons why the crowd is so excited. First, we only invited friends and family we like. Second, you two are great people and make an even better couple. Finally, we, your friends and family, love you. Can I hear a little noise if you love Erin and Dan?
Say hi. Hi. Hi.
We're here.
Hi. Hi.
Daniel, you and I were always meant to fall in love because of all that we have in common. A view of life, people, the drains, and the possibilities. Here we go. But we will form a lasting partnership because we also deviate from one another in all the right places. And in those spots, we are each so hungry to see life through each other's eyes. There's a complete candor and trust in that. I can't believe how good it feels to be so fully known and so deeply cherished for it. When we're laughing, it's because of an observation one of us made that the other didn't see. When we share art or music with each other, it's because it reminds us of the other, the beauty we cling to or wish to emulate. When we fight, we're trying to convey our perspectives to help the other see something differently. I'm constantly surprised by how much deeper we continue to dive into this love. I'm learning that for us, there is no bottom. It's made everything so much easier, made life seem exciting again.
Hey. Hey.
You mean to me. You are the love of my life. You are the sunshine and the warmth and the color in the world. You make me whole and are my mirror. I find peace in you, in your eyes and in your hand. I find hope and love and kindness and beauty every day that I'm with you. You inspire me to be more than myself, and together we are more than ourselves.
Your perspective grounds me and makes me curious and emboldens me through genuine expression and clarity I'd never quite figured out for myself before I met you. My perspective lightens you, activates your imagination, relaxes your heart, and shows you the good in places where before you only saw darkness. And that's how I have no doubts today. If the past 7 years could bring me so much depth, expansion, and joy, the type of love and feeling I didn't even know was possible, why would I stop there? How could I possibly when it's also deep in my life beyond our bubble, in my interests, my friends and family, and with myself? I can't wait to see what comes next.
I knew wonder when I first saw you, and I knew magic when I first kissed you. I knew on our first date, at the very back of an Italian restaurant, that I wanted to marry you. And I knew at an old Irish pub down in Fidehead that I was deeply in love with you. I knew that first night you finally asked me to hang out, I want to spend every other one after that with you.
So I have no doubts devoting myself to the limitless potential that we bring each other. I vow to choose you every day. I vow to uplift you when you're down, be your safe harbor in the world of chaos. I vow to keep evolving, growing in patience, capacity to love and understanding. I vow to hold you in sickness and in health. I vow to never stray and make you and our children my priority above all else. I vow to never let this love die, never let it fade to embers or be snuffed out. I vow to remember to be grateful for the light and peace your love provides me, and vow to be yours forever.
I vow to hold you, I vow to cherish you, I vow to love you forever.
Thank you all for being here to celebrate the wedding of the best, kindest, most amazing person we all know, and Erin. Dan and Erin are both so kind, so fun, and so goofy with each other that you can't help but love to be around them. They make each other laugh, they make us feel special and loved, and they bring joy to everyone around them. From the first day Dan met our family, one by one, we all quickly knew we liked him. He's been with us through some wild times and helped more than he can ever know. His kindness and calm kept us sane and grounded us through some of our family's hardest times, and we're so grateful to have him in our lives. Dan, thank you. You've been family for a long time, and we're so glad it's official now.
These are the hands of your best friend, young and strong and full of love for you, offering a life dedicated to yours on your wedding day. The hands of someone vowing to love you today, tomorrow, and forever. The knots of this binding are not formed by this cord, but by your vows and how you will carry them forward. You hold in your hands and hearts the making or breaking of this union. May your marriage be blessed with patience and dedication, forgiveness and respect, love and understanding. Knowing this, Erin and Daniel, is it your intent to enter the union wholly committed to one another? They do. The knot time.
Dan, you've always had such a gift of being an old soul beyond your years, and you're just good at things. Great person and brother. You found the person who makes you the happiest, which I can't think of anybody who I could say deserves more. It turns out that the oldest sibling isn't the only one who can lead by example. And as the oldest sibling, I look forward to your marriage continuing to be an inspiration. So today, we're gaining a sister even though you've been one for as long as I can remember.
Erin is the middle sister in our family. She's both a big sister and a little sister, and her life is full of big sister and little sister stories.
And she is the one who holds us all together. She makes our lives fun. She makes them loud and goofy and compassionate. She makes us think more fully, feel more deeply, and experience more fun than we ever could without her. She is our favorite person, and we love her so much.
But yeah, Daniel, you've just been such a role model to me, and the best brother, a lifelong friend that I could ever ask for. It means everything and more to me to see how happy you are with Erin. And to the bride, Erin, thank you for making him so happy. I never thought I'd see him this happy, and it really warms my heart to see him like this. You're the best person I could ask for to be part of my family and to call my sister. So happy for you.
And now for the rings. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that part?
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss each other.
Let's welcome our newlyweds, Erin and Daniel.
Before we wrap this up, we do need to mention the most important part of Erin and Dan's relationship. Their cats. Since Josh and anyone else can't be here today, I feel like we can all speak for them and congratulate them.
So let's raise a glass to love, family, and a lifetime of new memories.
to the Martinez's, to our new sister, and the new favorite daughter. Cheers.
Now, please join us in raising your glasses to toast the official legally married parents of Lumos and